Hello! In this video I'm going to talk about how to insert citations and a bibliography into a paper that you're writing in Word. Now, Mendeley has a citation plugin that should install automatically when you download the software. If we're on the Mendeley website, you'll also see it under Downloads, Citation Plugin, and it tells you that when you download the reference manager software, the citation plugin is installed automatically. And in Word, this is found under the References tab or ribbon, and it's called the Mendeley Citomatic. Now, as you are writing and you get to a point where you want to insert a citation to an article you have in your Mendeley library, simply click on Insert Citation and then search by author or year or words in the title. So we will pick this one, and then you can add more citations as you need to. We will click OK, and there is the in-text citation. This is in the American Psychological Association or APA style. We could switch it to any other style. If the style we want is not listed here, we can click on More Styles, which will take us to Mendeley Desktop, and we could select from this list or search for more styles. Let's try this. We could search, but let's add this ACS one and just click Install and Done. And then if we go here and click on More Styles again, it's right here, and we can say Use this style, Done, and it has switched it to that style. Let's switch back to APA for now. So now we would like to insert a bibliography. So the key thing is to make sure that your cursor is on the page where you want your bibliography to start, which would probably be on a new page. But we will click Insert Bibliography, and any citations that we've inserted in here using Mendeley will then be listed here. And we would still need to give this a title. APA is References. And it would list them alphabetically according to the style. So that is the basics of how to add citations to your paper. Additionally, we could add citations the same way. When you click Insert Citation, if you go to Mendeley and then we select one, never mind.